fly to the 3 flowers that need her. That's it. But show start
Here,
from
put it
where
down so I
the
can
B
see.
is
I
and
think
move.
try to start
from where the B
down
is
here.
and move. 3. Z has to pop. Help Z fly to
Now go to
the
from
2
1 to 2.
flowers that help Z fly
No, start on the
to
1 and then go to the 2.
flowers that need her.
Now go to the 2 to the 3.
3 shows. Yay!
Do you understand now?
Z flew to 3 flowers. Now she's at -3. What? At 5.
What?
Look.
Did you do it? Okay, now can you try to figure it? Figure it out?
Help Z fly to the 5. Start from where the B is and move. 2. Show Z how to fly. Yay! Z flew
What?
to 5 flowers.
Did you figure it out?
She's at -5.
Do you like this one?
At 1. Help Z fly to 1. Yay! Z flew to 1 flowers. Now she's at -1. Help Z fly to the 7 flowers that need her. At 7. Help Z fly. Start from Z has to pollinate. Show Z how to fly. Show Z how to fly between the flowers. Help Z start from where the B is and move to help Z fly.
Move the page. Can you move the page?
Help Z help Z fly.
Oh, good job.
2 flowers that need her.
Can't see her.
I think you've passed her. There she is.
Help Z fly to the 2 flowers 7.
Yes!
Yay! Z flew to 7
What'd you do?
flowers.
Look at-
Now she's at
Wow, you got it to 7.
help Z fly to the 9 flowers 4. Show Z start from where the B is and move 5 times. Help Z fly to the 4 flowers that need. Show Z how to fly between the flowers. Help Z fly to the 6. Z has to visit each flower. Start from where the B is and move 2 times. 9. Yay! Z flew to 9 flowers. Now she's at -9. Help Z fly to the. Start from where the B is. Start from where the B is and move. Help Z fly to the 7 flowers that need her. 6. Start from where the B is. Start from where the B is and move 3 times. Help Z fly to the 2 flower. Help Z fly to the 2 flowers that need. Yay! Z flew to 10 flowers. Now she's
Look at.
I see it, girl. Good
Don't
job.
see it. Don't take a picture.
Okay, sorry. No.
17.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. Can you do 17?
Help Z fly to the 17. Help Z fly to the 16 flowers that need her. Help Z fly. Help Z fly to the. Start from where the B is. Start from where the B is and move 10 times. Start from where the B is and move 11 times. Oops, Z flew to 11, but needs to fly to 17.
I can't just do 17
Why not?
because I flew all the way there.
Flew all the way where?
I'll show you.
To what number?
Start from where the B is. Start from where from where the B. Start from where the B is.
I flew.
Start from where the B is. Start from where the
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here.
From which Z has to pollinate. Help Z fly to the 17. Z has to start from where the B is and move 3
I flew to that one.
Now we gotta go all the way to
where the B
17.
is and move 8 times. Help Z fly to the 8 flowers that need her. 10. Help Z fly to the 7 flowers that need her. Help Z fly. Z has to pollinate each flower. 15. 16.
Keep going. What number? What number? You're almost there. One more.
17. Yay! Z flew to 17.
What number?
Flowers. Now she's at
17.
negative 17. Add 7. 3. 4. Start from where the B is and move. Start from Z. Show Z how to fly. Help Z fly to the 2 flowers that need her.